Hello and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how to go to the location on Pedcatch. So just type Pedcatch in your Google and open the link. Okay, so the Pedcatch was originated by Marcus White, who is the professor in University of Melbourne, and it's a really cool app. So you can just search the area you want, not only in Australia but like an entire world. So I'm going to type Mumbai in India, and yes, the pointer has dropped me in Mumbai. So I'm just going to select the area where I would like to have a small visit. So that can be, I'll just change the type of a map. Right now it's satellite map, so I'll just go to OpenStreet mapping, and yeah, I can see more clear. So yeah, I'll just go to Mumbai city and drop this person over here. So I can now see the view of Mumbai right now. Yeah, it looks quite amazing, and yeah, I miss my home country. Feels so good. Alright, let's go to Melbourne again. I'll type Melbourne City, Victoria. Okay, and right now I'm on Bourke and Elizabeth. Okay, I'll just drop this person here. Cool, so we are on Bourke Street right now, right in front of H&M. Quite a cool software. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for the video, watching this video. Hope you like this video, and yeah, see you in the next video.